Getting the right diagnosis the first time can save you time and money. Random misfires are one of the most difficult things to diagnose. A common and often overlooked cause of random misfires is a leaking fuel pressure regulator. To check a fuel pressure regulator for leaks, we need to attach a vacuum pump with a clear hose, apply a vacuum to it, and if we can draw fuel through the regulator, we know that the fuel pressure regulator is defective. This causes a random misfire due to the fact we have extra gasoline being sucked into the engine when it's running. This can also be accompanied by a long crank in some conditions, as well as sometimes on initial startup the customer may notice some excessive fuel coming from the tailpipe. Join us in our course, Misfire Diagnosis, when we will look at the many different tools and procedures that will help you in getting the job done.
If you would like more information on this or any other course that we offer on Cars on Demand, please call 1-888-224-3834.